that is in my hand. Because we took the door panel off, remember? And we have 7 mils. One. Couple hidden under there. One hidden under here. One hidden under here. And we're going to take them off and see if there's one under there too. So let's get to work. Yes, there was one hidden behind this little door. And I came in through the corner right there with this little guy. Just to get behind it and pop her out. You got this holding it in, this holding it in. That's more of a guide. So top first. Got it? Good. Now, let's see what we have to do to pull this puppy off. So I have proclaimed this guy, this Buick, is one of the worst door panels I've pulled off so far. Everything's stiff. I mean everything. This, you have to squeeze and pull out so you can get the handle off. This puppy right here. So you squeeze it, pull back, and this just pops out. This puppy, this locking mechanism's right here, popped out of my hand. Because American vehicles want to make sure you don't steal the door panel. So this has to pop out back. So squeeze this and pull out. Yeah, my shoulder hurts after this. Actually, you see where it goes back in? It's a little guide. Has to go in right there. You see? So you have to pull it out. It locks in. Yeah, it's quite fun actually when the door panel is actually hanging in your hand and you have to get it out of this little guy. You see? All that. We have, I don't know, 42 empty cavities for 6 wires. And then we got this one. This one just squeezes on this side. Of course you don't see it because it's hidden on the back side, which is right there. So you have to squeeze from the back side and pull this one out. And thank you, they don't have an actual safety clip in this one. Thanks guys, thanks. So clip, clip, screw, 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 all the way down there. And then you got 2 more, one there, one there. I strongly suggest getting something back behind here because these are one of the worst to pull out. Why? Because it's American. And the suckle-meter actually is worse than the Nissan Rogue. So, so that's how you get the door panel off. Yes. Here's the part number. And here is how to get it out. 4 tabs. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. This big one right here. Now it's easier. Have the door panel laying like I do right here, or on your workbench, either way. Now, it is tight. I guess you gotta give them that. So you gotta pull these guys 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, as I did this, use your tools. Came on this side and pushed. You see, push that guy in as you pull this one back. So you wanna these 4 first. We'll sort of give it a little wedge like this. And then you want to do the back one. You see? It's kind of a pain, but it's actually not that bad. You don't really need tools other than these. And you have a little guide right here. So I'll show you how to put it back. It should be only one way. Align it, and you want to push it back up and lock it into place. Ta-da! That's what we're gonna get out. So, like it, don't like it, share, don't share. See, these guys out first. Am I gonna do it again? No, you can figure it out. Right? Right. You got it. So, thanks for watching.